So since today was a rainy and gloomy day, it wasn't such a great day to go out and make sales calls. It's actually not raining so much now, but it's still sprinkling. It's cloudy, it's overcast. Let me show you what it looks like. You can see the sky is just real dreary looking. But anyway, I wanted to make this video because I chose today because I wanted to get some new tires for my car, and they've been needing some new tires. My wife's been worried because, well, for one, it makes a sound on the road because it has some alignment wear on the tires. And also some of the tread on two of the tires was very, very low. And I've been looking around, checking different places. I checked locally at two or three shops, and I was going to get my tires at one of those shops. I kind of wanted a really good quality tire, but then I don't. Right now, I've got over almost 230,000 miles on my 2014 Toyota Prius. And so my logic is I don't want to put a lot of money in the tires just in case, something happens, in the near future. Maybe I have problems with, other mechanical issues that wouldn't really be worth spending the money to fix it. So I didn't want to put a lot of money in the tires and then have to, get rid of it and lose all that money. And tires aren't all that inexpensive anymore. But the tires I was going to get were, roughly right around the $100 range. And they were okay tires. They had some mixed reviews. But then I got on Costco.com and I looked at their different versions that they had. They had a BF Goodrich. They had the Michelins. And, of course, they have $40 off if you buy a set of 4, which wasn't a great savings. But the good thing about Costco, buying tires from them, is that they don't charge you any installation fees. And then all the junk fees that some of these places charge you, they don't charge either at all or they're very minimal. So the tires that I ended up getting were the Michelin Pilot Sport AS4. They're all season tires. They have a 45,000 mile rating warranty, which isn't the best, but it also isn't like the highest. And what I've found over the years, it's not worth spending the money on those things. And I never take advantage of the warranty because I always keep my tires until it's time to get new ones. But no charge for installation, which is good. I think one other shop was going to charge like $120 for a set of 4. So I guess half of that for 2 tires. I opted to go with just 2 because I felt like the other 2 tires still had some pretty good tread wear, and I didn't want to just waste the tread wear on those. So I kept those. Now, I think they're still recommending that I change those. So they put the good ones on the back and the older ones on the front. So we'll see how it goes. I'm sure it's still going to make some noise, but I will check and see how it goes long term. I may end up coming back and getting another 2 tires. They fill it with nitrogen air, so there's no charge for that. Tires were $189.99, and I checked around. They're about the same everywhere or more. When I did my research, Costco was one of the cheapest places to get it. The state tire disposal fee, some of the other companies wanted like $4 and $5 each, and they only charged $1. The generic service pack, they only charged $2.25. So, and I guess that's a tire disposal fee of $4.50. So with tax and everything, it was like $417.84. These are highly rated tires, at least, according to what I've found on the internet. Exceptional handling and all of that. So that's really what's important to me. When you're driving on the road every day of the week, just about, you want to make sure you have good, reliable tires. And so now that I'm getting ready to go to Orlando for our sales meeting in a couple weeks, I wanted to make sure that I took care of that. So I've got a new oil change, tire rotation, or new tires. And so I should be ready to go. Now the downsides of getting it done at Costco, it's not as convenient. And it seems like they don't really have the tires for the most part, at least my tires, every time I've ever looked, they never have them in stock. So you got to go online, order them, have them delivered to the warehouse where you want to have it serviced. You got to schedule an appointment, and then they do it. So it's not as convenient as the other shops that are local, because a lot of them can get the tires much quicker, it seems like, or they have them in stock. It wasn't the best situation for the waiting area because it just had a little bench in where you buy the tires. And really, it's, you know, it seems like they kind of, it forced you to spend time in their store so you can be buying more things while you're supposedly saving money on the tires. So that's the downside. You're going to end up probably spending more money because you're having your tires done there and you have about an hour or so to kill. So actually I got these tires done in under an hour, but it was only 2. That was pretty quick. So I didn't have to really wait long. It didn't really kill my day. I will probably, depending on how good these tires do, I'll either come back for 2 more for the same ones, or I'll just get 2 other tires somewhere else. And maybe they'll be Michelin's. I don't know. But, you know, having to not have to pay the installation charge and all the other charges that they charge for valve stems and all that kind of stuff, all those charges add up. And so when you're my age, you're looking for every way to save, and that's probably the case for you too. I know there's a lot of people that go to Costco to get their tires, but I don't think it's as many as people think. I was able to call them, you know, later in the afternoon. The guy said he had 2 of the tires that I needed. So instead of getting 4 tires, I only got 2. And it came right down. And then when I got here, they couldn't find the 2 tires. And so they were actually in the wrong place, but they did finally find them after searching for about a half hour. So it actually ended up taking longer than an hour and a half. Overall, it was an okay experience, but I don't know if I would want to, you know, get my tires done on a regular basis from Costco, mainly because it's just not convenient. And when I asked the service guy, where's the waiting area? He said, you were sitting on it. And I said, well, where's the big screen TV? He says, at the auto dealers. So, you know, when you're at some of the local auto dealers, you know, they have nicer waiting areas. And I've been to Tuffy. I've been to a couple other local ones. Today I went to Alpine. It used to be a famous tire company. And they did my oil changing and tire rotation. And that was reasonable, but it's not always going to be that price. It was a special. Hopefully this video, you got something out of it. But if you ever thought about getting your tires at Costco, it could be good for you, depending on how much money you're saving. But if you're only going to save a little bit, it may not be worth, you know, the hassle. So to me, convenience is worth a lot these days. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, like more product reviews or things that happen in normal life, just hit the subscribe button and click the bell to make sure you get notified when I upload a new video. Watch this other video that is popping up here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.